Hi friends, it's Isa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, mawitness nyo ako mag-prepare for my NCLEX. And guys, late na nga kasi parang kulang na ako sa time na mag-prepare kasi 2 months na lang to-take na ako ng exam. And wala pa ako ganong alam, guys. So today is September 6 na and I booked my exam on November. So, ayun, medyo pressured na pero I know, kakayanin natin yun. Ipipilit natin. So, ayun lang. Kasama ko yung friend ko today. Mag-aaral kami sa coffee shop. So, ayun lang. Bye!
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that 2 things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be.
Hi friends! So, it's been a long time since I last vlogged. Kasi guys, ewan ko, sobrang busy and sobrang hirap ipagsabay ng work and pagre-review. So, ngayon pa lang ako nagsistart magseryoso mag-review. Alam niyo yung mga review ko lang, yung mga parang mga free time ko na lang, ganyan. Kaya sana naman maipasa ko to. So, ayun lang. In-update ko lang kayo na buhay pa rin ako.
How can I find satisfaction? I fill my time with more distractions. Another text, I gotta respond. I'm in my head, I just wanna turn it off. Just wanna turn it off. I'm good as long as I'm productive, even if it's self-destructive. Someone needs me, gotta say yes. I miss my bed, but I keep running instead. I keep running instead. It's been non-stop.
Hi friends! So it's 7:25 PM and today is September 20. Ayan, medyo bumubulong lang kasi nakakahiram pag marinig ako nag-vlog. But, ayan, naka-break ako ngayon and ewan ko, pressured na kasi ako guys. So parang kahit 30 minutes lang ako naka-break, nag-answer ako ng test bank, mga Q-bank, ganyan. Yun lang. Tapos kanina nasa trauma kasi ako, trauma area ko ngayon. Pag walang patient, nag-answer din ako. Yun lang, medyo hindi ako makafocus masyado.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days.
Hi friends! Good morning! So today is October 27 and it's 9 days till my NCLEX. Ay, tapos na initin yung pagkain ko. And sa trauma ako assigned today. So, may sarili kang mundo sa trauma.
Numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna
her in a camo hat. She's a fill up the van and never look back. Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand at the window, windsurfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay.
Hi friends! So, ayos na ayos ako kasi ang dumi ng salamin, pero anyway, deadma. So, it's 4:43 PM na guys. Today is November 3. And, ang plano ko today ay magpa-picture. Para pag nakapasa na may ipopost. Pero, natatawa ako kasi wala pa ako masyadong alam. Tapos, nagpapa-picture ako, nakala mo naman. Pero, diba? Manifesting. Papasa tayo guys. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Nandito lang ako sa Starbucks guys. Nakatapos ko mag-self-shoot. So, ayun lang. Hindi ko alam yung feel ko guys. Kinakabahan ako. It's 2 days left. And tomorrow, my plan is to answer yung self-assessment. Or baka ngayon ko siya i-take ganyan. Tapos, tomorrow, i-visit ko yung kung saan ako mag-exam. So, ayun lang.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025.
Okay, so medyo alisin na naman muna itong jacket na to. Nag-feeling na naman ako. Kasi kahapon guys, gloomy. Ngayon kasi medyo sunny naman siya. So, tanggalin mo na muna, hindi pa naman malamig. Ito yung bag na dadalhin ko guys, para magkasya na lahat. So, ang dadalhin ko lang is, ang sinabi lang na dadalhin is mask. I have my mask with me. Tapos, nagdala rin ako ng power bank. And, of course, passport. Sana makapasa person. Bumili lang ako sa 7-Eleven ng snacks, guys. Baka kasi antokin ako ganyan. At sa sobrang kaba, baka hindi na ako mag-isip. Pero, ayun. I hope, guys, hindi maayos talaga. I hope I have prepared enough. Yun lang. Prayer. So, nakapasok na ako, guys. This is me, guys. Before the exam. Hi friends, it's Isa. So finally makakausap ko na kayo about what happened sa NCLEX ko. And I'm planning to create another video about how I processed my papers. Though nag-agency kasi ako guys. If ever gusto nyo na lang naman malaman yung mga tips na ginawa ko. So I think it's gonna be another video kasi sobrang haba na nito. Doon na lang tayo sa nag-exam na ako noong November 5. Actually guys, hindi ganun kahaba yung preparation ko for this exam because I am working full-time at the ER. Sobrang chaotic ng ER guys, every day. So, wala talaga akong time mag-review. Pero I just pushed myself to review nga. Kasi nga, syempre, I really wanted this license. And 1 week before ako mag-exam, yun lang yung talagang time na sobrang nakapag-focus ako. By the way, guys, I stopped at 150. So, na-max out ko talaga yung questions. I really prepared myself na ma-consume yung 150 questions. Kaya parang carry lang. Pero sobrang drained talaga ako, guys, kasi hindi ako nakapag-break. Pero guys, when I walked out of the testing center, may feeling naman ako na may mga tama akong sagot. But I feel like I guessed the whole time. Especially nung mga bandang 100 onwards na yung mga sinasagutan ko, I feel like I'm guessing na lang. So, medyo na-frustrate lang ako kasi syempre most of the questions ay wala sa nireview ko. Thank God, I passed. So, wala na akong reaction video kung paano ko pumasa kasi I got the results on the day of my birthday. And through email ko siya na-receive since agency nga. Yun ang disadvantage lang yata ng agency kasi nga isasend nila sa'yo. Wala kang, parang yung NNE nun na mag-scroll ka, pipindot ka, magugulat ka, ganun. So sa akin, congratulate ako agad sa email. Sobrang saya ko lang guys kasi ang hirap ng exam. Hindi siya mahirap in a way na yung mga sakit, complicated. Yung choices kasi, doon ako nahirapan. Alam nyo guys, kumapit lang din talaga ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, sinasurrender ko na sa'yo lahat-lahat ng fears ko. Kasi, sobrang hirap eh. Hirap isabay ng review sa work. By the way, I use UWorld as my resource. Isa lang yung ginamit ko, UWorld lang, and yung mga cheat sheet lang ng mga friends ko na in-scroll ko lang. Actually, hindi na ako sobrang nag-aral ng concept. I just mastered answering test packs. So, yun lang. Ayun guys, I am finally a USRN and I am so sorry I uploaded this late and I'm sorry if I'm not active na here on my YouTube channel, but I will try my best to be back. Kasi namimiss ko na din talaga mag-vlog. Ayun guys, thank you so much. Itong license na to is not really for me. It's for my parents. So I really wanted this for them. And sobrang thankful lang talaga ako kay Lord guys. Kasi as in sa buong journey na to, siya lang talaga yung may alam. Kasi I did not let my parents know that I'm gonna take the boards, the NCLEX. And I did not tell anyone. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!